Sick of that annoying door squeak every time you open or close it? Let's fix that fast. Okay, so first off, grab some lubricant like WD-40 or even some cooking oil if you're in a pinch. Spray it directly on the door hinges where the squeak's coming from. Don't be shy, get it right in there. After you spray, open and close the door a few times to work the lubricant into the joints. If the door still squeaks, check those hinge screws. Sometimes they get loose and cause noise. Use a screwdriver to tighten all the screws on the hinges. Sometimes that's all it takes. If the screws are stripped or won't tighten, swapping them out with new ones is a good move. Also, make sure the door is properly aligned in the frame, because if it's rubbing somewhere, that can cause extra noise too. Giving your door a little TLC like this keeps it smooth and quiet without needing to call a pro. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing squeaky doors is ignoring the screws, thinking only lubricant matters. Tightening screws can solve most problems on its own. Another issue is using the wrong type of lubricant, like grease or thick oils, that just gums up the hinge and makes it worse over time. Stick with light oils or sprays made for this purpose. Lastly, people sometimes overlook door alignment, which can cause rubbing sounds even after lubing hinges. Adjusting the hinges or planing the door slightly can fix that. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff for home fixes like this. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a cool way to get more work from homeowners who actually need help around their place.